let's talk about how I took this sofa that I'm actually sitting on from this to this. Stay tuned, guys. All right, see you in the video. Hello, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about DIYs. Yes, DIYs. We're going to be talking about do-it-yourself projects. Okay, so I am actually sitting on one of my do-it-yourself projects. What happened was this sectional sofa I have had for a very long time, and it's actually located in an area where the environment changes like constantly. So it's hot, then it's cold, then it's hot, then it's extremely cold because it's sitting on my front porch, my enclosed porch. So what happened was, over time it started to split. I love leather. I have leather furniture throughout my whole entire house. Okay, so the thing about leather is, when you have leather furniture and you have it for an extreme amount of time, especially if it's sitting in an environment like this, it will crack. So I wish I had filmed myself actually doing the pillows over. But what I did was I went to Joann's Fabric. Yes, I did. And I sat down and I actually hand sewed each and every last one of these pillows to make it look like brand new. And I didn't think it was going to turn out as good as it did, but it actually turned out so much more better than what I thought. So guys, what are some of your DIYs that you have been doing during quarantine? Because I know when you are isolated in the house and things, sometimes you can get a little bit of idle. You try to figure out things to do. So what are some of the things that you try to do? The reason why I didn't buy, let me tell you this. The reason why I didn't buy brand new furniture is because I had went out to the stores, and every store I went in, they had some of the ugliest furniture that you could want to see. And on top of that, a lot of the furniture is on back order because of COVID-19. For some odd reason, a lot of the furniture stores cannot get furniture that you want. And if you find something that you like, you're going to have to almost wait a good 3 or 4 months. I'm not going to go buy furniture to wait 3 or 4 months. There's nothing basically wrong with the furniture that I have. Only thing that was wrong with it was the pillows were starting to crack. So I went out and I matched the color. It was easy because this is black. So I just basically got a basic black covering, and I put it on the chairs. So guys, I forgot to mention the total cost of my DIY. So I first went to the material store and I bought my material at $9 a yard. I got 4 yards is what I did the first time. And I didn't have quite enough to cover every last one of the cushions. So I had to venture back out, look for that same material, and got 3 more yards. So altogether, I spent roughly like $65 to like $67 to just do a couch over, opposed to spending like maybe $700 or $800. So that's exactly what I did. So I meant to put that in there. I forgot. I don't even know why I didn't even talk about how much I actually spent on this DIY. All right, guys, back to the video. And I threw my pillows back up here because, you know, you always need accent pillows to make everything pop, right? So that's exactly what I did. So guys, I'm not going to be before you long. Look at Cookie. Cookie has on a new dress today. She has an attitude. She has an attitude every time I change up her clothes. I don't know what her problem is. What's your problem, lady? Huh? I don't think she wanted that dress on. But she looks pretty. She gets an attitude every time I change her clothes. So, yeah, that was my little DIY moment. And I wanted to share it with you guys. I'm not going to be before you long, like I said. So, like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me some of the things that you like to do. And some of the things, like I say in all of my videos, that you would like to see me do. I really wish I had taken my time and filmed myself doing these pillows over so you guys could see how I did it. I mean, some of them were like really easy. Then for some odd reason, I got stuck doing some of them, but I got them all done. That's the key thing. I got them all done. Okay, guys, I am going to be out for today, and I hope you have a blessed day and a blessed rest of the week, because that's exactly what I am going to do. So I love you guys. Bye.